Good morning everyone. My name is Ritika Sharma. I am computer teacher of A1 Xavier School. Today I am going to teach you data types in MS Access 2010. So, what is data type? Data types are used to declare the fields of a table. Data types determines the type of data a specific fields can accept. Means according to your requirement you type the field name and select whatever data type is suitable for your particular field. Once the data type is defined, you cannot enter a different type of data in it. Means if you select number as a particular field, so you can only enter number in your column. Okay, then if you try to do so, an error message will be displayed. The following table describe the different available data types in MS Access 2010. So first one is text. It is used to store text or a combination of text and numbers that does not require calculation, such as address or your phone number. The fields with the data type can have maximum of 255 characters. Okay, so your phone number and your address means you can enter alphanumerical value in this text data type. Okay, next number, it stores numerical information that you can use for calculation. A number data type can store integer value as well as decimal values. The maximum size of a number data type can be 16 bytes. Okay, for example, your age, your roll number, your weight. Okay, so you can select these field as a number. Okay, then what is the meaning of field size? Okay, field size means 16 byte or 255 characters or 4 bytes. Means field size, whatever field size you select, computer can reserve only that field size for your particular field. Okay, in your storage devices, mean in your hard disk, computer can store only that size for your particular field. Then memo, it stores text and numbers up to 65,536 characters. It is used for descriptive fields such as notes, comments, description, etc. Okay, or example, any product detail or descriptions you can enter in the memo field. Then next, date and time. It stores data type information like date of birth, date of joining, date of leaving, etc. The maximum size used by these data type is 8 bytes. Calculation related to dates can be done in these field type. The next, auto number. It generates a sequential number whatever a new record is added to a table. The value in the auto number field cannot be changed. It stores data as 4 byte values typically used in primary key. Okay, example, your serial number, you enter serial number 1 2 3 4, so automatically it generated by the computer. Okay, yes no. Next field is yes no. It is used at places where the field can have only one possible value. Means it is stored boolean value or one byte for your particular field. Okay, it can either be true false, yes no, or on off. For example, a student can either be male or female, or in examination maybe you pass or fail. Only means only one value can you can enter. Okay, OLE, it stands for object linking and embedding. It is used to embed an object created in another application such as Microsoft Word document, Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation into the Access table. It is stored up to 2 GB of data. Means what with the help of OLE object you create particular documents or particular Excel sheet or PowerPoint presentation, then you attach with the attach with your database. Okay, then hyperlink. The hyperlink data type can store link to web pages, websites, file, or an internet or LAN on your computer. It is stored up to 1 GB of data. Means your email address, if you store email address or your website address, so with the help of hyperlink you can you set hyperlink as a data type and you enter your particular email or website in the field. Then next, lookup wizard. A lookup wizard helps you to create a field whose values are chosen from the values in another table, query, or list of value. By default, the access set lookup wizard to the number data type. Means lookup wizard is not a data type. Means with lookup wizard you can create drop down list, and actually the lookup wizard is not a data type, it's set with value in the with the another table. Okay, then next, attachment. This data type allow you to attach images, spreadsheet, files, documents, charts, and other type of supported file to the records in your database, much similar to the manner which you attach file to email. Okay, attachment. With the help of attachment you can attach your photos or any documents, pre-built document with your database. Calculated. This data type is used when a user creates table fields that calculates values. The calculation can include values from field in same table as well as from built-in access function. This data type is used mostly in case of query, forms, and table. Okay, in the calculated data type you calculate with table and perform the calculation. The next, rich text or combinations of text and numbers that can be formatted using color and found color. Means with the rich text you can format your text or combination of text or any numbers with the color or and font control. So these are your data types in the MS Access. Okay, thank you everyone.